Can't tell if my lens is blurry or my glasses are blurry. I feel like I'm about to give a course right now. Got my iPad, got my pen. Hey guys, so if you are looking to make an extra $10,000 using TikTok's affiliate program, then you're in the right place. You need to be watching this video. I got garlic in my braces. So I'm about to reveal to you guys one of the easiest ways you can earn some extra income, make some extra cash, and you don't have to start a business. I feel like everybody's starting a business, but let's get into something where you don't have to start a business or even show your face for that matter. So this is gonna be perfect for the introverts out there. There's a chicken at my door. Go to the coop. It's getting dark outside. So I know that for most of you guys, making money on social media seems like it's unachievable. It also may seem like you need millions of followers to make thousands of dollars on social media. That's not the case. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some extra cash and possibly get free products, free samples. Hey guys, it's Viva Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. So here on my channel, I like to create absolutely free content, helping you guys grow and excel your online businesses, whether you're selling physical products, digital products, or even a content creator, because that's a business too. Not meaning that you need to form an LLC, because you absolutely don't. So in today's video, we're gonna be diving deep into TikTok's affiliate program. You guys, I absolutely love this program, and I'm just super excited for this video because I'm like trying to put my daughter onto this as well, because I know the potential that this program has. First, let's get into the benefits and what's so amazing about this TikTok affiliate program in the first place. Because as you guys know, there's a lot of affiliate programs out there that promise you to make commissions. Even Amazon's affiliate program, the payout is like absolutely horrible. Okay, so number one, the commissions for TikTok's affiliate program are very high. So if you guys are not aware, on Amazon, you get as much as 5% commission. As to on TikTok, you're able to get 50% or more. It depends on the seller, because as a seller, you are able to adjust your commission rate. So the second reason as to why TikTok's affiliate program is so amazing is that the buyers are able to purchase the products right off of your video. Like, let's say this was a TikTok video, you would see a product on the screen. It's usually like under me on this side. You would see the product under the screen. So if the consumer wanted to buy that product from your video, all they have to do is press that product and they're able to purchase while still being on your video. So they're not having to leave the entire platform and input their card and go to another website. It's just too much, and it's very discouraging for buyers. Like, they don't want to go through that entire process. So TikTok makes it so easy for people to just shop directly on your video. The third reason as to why TikTok's affiliate program is absolutely amazing is that the buyers do not have to go through a hassle to input their payment information. You can even use Apple Pay. Like, who doesn't use Apple Pay? I feel like everyone uses Apple Pay. I know that I have my phone and I pay for things in store with my phone more than I use my actual card. So having Apple Pay makes the entire process so much easier. You always want the conversion process to be as simple and easy as possible. So the fourth reason why TikTok's affiliate program is so amazing is that unlike Amazon's affiliate program, you don't always have to buy the samples. You're able to pitch to sellers, whether it's directly on TikTok or you have to email them, or you can even text them on WhatsApp. So you're able to pitch them for free samples. They will send you a free sample for you then to create a video with and make a commission from. It's like a win-win situation. So the fifth and the last reason why TikTok's affiliate program is such an amazing program is that TikTok actually controls everything, so you don't have to rely on the sellers to send you your money. Like, it's automatically sent. Once the person that purchased through your link gets their product, then you get your commission, so you don't have to worry about nagging any sellers. So the first requirement for the TikTok affiliate program is that you must have 5,000 followers. And I'm not sure if you guys know, but TikTok is one of the platforms where you can grow very fast. I honestly think that it's the first platform that will allow you to grow at a fast rate. So if you want fast growth, then TikTok is going to be the platform for you. So the second requirement is going to be you have to be 18 years or older. My daughter's actually not 18 years old yet. She's 16. So I have a separate account that's linked under my information with a separate bank account, which she uses for her affiliate earnings. So she's using my name for now until she turns 18. Then we're going to convert everything over. And that's all of the requirements. Super easy, right? You guys are probably like, that's kind of too easy. So now I'm gonna get into the part where I actually show you guys how to navigate TikTok's affiliate program, because I want this to serve as kind of like a course. It's free. So just because it's free, you guys, I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, because these videos really take time to make and it's free. Like, I don't think you guys understand that. My husband, you know what my husband told me today? That when you give people stuff for free, or when people get stuff for free and they don't have to pay for it, they don't have to work for it, they're less likely to use it. They're less likely to realize what they have because it came so easy. So maybe I need to stop doing this free content and charge, because all I ask you guys is for a subscribe, and I'm just trying to get to 1K and y'all can't even help me with that. I'm just kidding. Most of you guys are subscribed, right? Right? I'm just kidding with you guys, but no, I'm serious. Be sure to subscribe. These videos are free. So let's get into the screen recording, showing you guys how to navigate the program. You guys, I am literally the GOAT. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, so we are on my TikTok app, and what you're gonna do is go to those 3 lines on the right hand side. We're gonna press Creator Tools. And then we are going to go to TikTok Shop for Creator. So I just want to mention in this video that my account is actually stuck in business, and I have 4 more days left until I'm out of TikTok jail. I feel like I've been in jail because I've been stuck on TikTok business, which sucks because you can't use trending music, and it just sucks overall. So we're gonna go to TikTok Shop for Creators. Okay, so this is what the TikTok Shop for the creators is going to look like. As you guys can see here, earn $10.35, earn $8, earn $3.65, earn $2.79. So the whole goal is to pick something that you actually like. Like, say I wanted to pick this Hello Kitty neon sign right here. So I'm gonna click on that. And this is a product I would earn $8 on each product sold, which is a 20% commission rate. So if I want to get a free sample for this Hello Kitty mirror, which I probably will because I'm in Hello Kitty theme right now. So we're going to go, I think I actually applied to this one because they pitched to me. So we're going to go to contact seller. As you guys can see, that's their email. So you would then just email the brand and send them a pitch. You're a content creator, you have such and such amount of followers, or you're in the same niche and you want to create some content with the free sample, like you need the free sample. So then you would contact them through email. So this is what that looked like. As you guys can see, it says added to showcase already because I already added this. So let's go to a product where I can show you guys exactly how to add it to the showcase. Let's see what else these people have here. So, okay, so let's say I'm going to take this love mirror right here. So the commission on that is also $8. So you would just select add to showcase here, and that's going to add it to your showcase. I just press viewed. These are all the products that are in my showcase. Video reminder, 1 product to feature in your videos or live. And that was this hot iron hair, which you earn $3.65, which is really crappy, but I did this. As you can see, sometimes you can request the free sample on the actual TikTok app. I'm going to have to blur out my address, but this is how it looks when you request the sample on the actual TikTok app. So let's head over to the product marketplace, which is the first button here. So this is where you are going to find all of the different products that you can promote. Again, try to stay in stuff that is in your niche and also stuff that has a very high commission. And then that is how you are going to earn the most money. So let's go back. And then you're able to see your earnings. You're able to see collab invites. So these are going to be brands that have contacted you so that you can work with them. As you guys can see, I get a lot of pitches, which I don't reply back to them all because I only do pink stuff. Like I added these like mirrors because they're pink. But other than that, I don't really accept. I like to go in and actually look for stuff myself. So you also have the feature to promote your affiliate videos. They do have campaigns that you can join. It's like live streaming campaigns if you guys like to do live videos. You can do live giveaways, live product set. So now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much creators are making. Okay, so I'm showing you guys how much money you guys have the potential to make, because I'm also a business that uses TikTok affiliates. So we are gonna go to find creators here on the side. So we're gonna filter this by performance. And just to show you guys how much people are able to make, I'm going to go with revenue, and we're going to do $10,000 plus. Then you're able to see how much people are actually making on their affiliate videos. So this lady right here at the top, she's making 10K in revenue. 10K. This person's making $224,000 in revenue as an affiliate. That was James Charles, by the way. This one's doing 10K. This lady is doing 160,000. She's doing 157,000. So as you guys can see, this is a lot of money. But not only looking at the amount of money that these creators are making, you can also look at the followers here on the side. So this lady has 44,000 followers and she's making 10K plus. Let's find someone with a smaller amount of followers. This lady right here, she has 23.5 thousand followers and she's making $132,000 in affiliates. And this is the program, like this is the actual TikTok program. So this program, this is not going to lie to us, because as a brand owner, we're looking for influencers who actually convert to review our products. So as you guys can see, this is absolutely insane. Like you don't have to have millions of followers. Some of them do, but a lot of them don't. So let's try to locate somebody with a small following. Like this lady has 14,000 followers. She has made $130,000. Like that's absolutely insane. This lady here has 9.1K and has made $127,000. So as you guys can see, there's literally like no excuse you guys can come up with it. Oh, I don't have a lot of followers. No, there is literally no excuse. Okay, so now that you guys know how to navigate the program, or you have some type of idea, because I just showed you how to navigate the program, you can get to work. Like your homework is to actually build content, create content, be yourself. Like there is a piece of content for everyone. Like I like pink, so my people are pink people. You may like, I don't know, fashion. Your people are fashion people. You may like, I don't know, black hats. You can do black hats, whatever. It doesn't matter. Like there's an audience for everything. The key is consistency. So I want you guys to start creating content and be consistent to get to this 5,000 followers, so you're able to unlock the unlimited potential with TikTok affiliate program. I need to put this pen down. Now, the key with this program is to get you a viral video. People, for some reason, people don't like viral videos. Like, oh, your main goal shouldn't be viral video. But when you get a viral video, that's all it takes. Like, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, like there are people who become overnight success because of a viral video. And guess what? They're not prepared for that. So prepare yourself. Have your pages set up for success. Have your pages set up to convert. And then when you get that viral video, it's going to help. It's going to help with your views. So you want to be using trending sounds. I live by trending sounds, you guys. You guys don't understand, because I feel like trending sounds is going to put your content on the map, because when your video trends, people are going to constantly keep seeing your face popping up. Then they're going to wonder, who is this girl? They're going to go to your page, and your page is just fun filled because it's already set up for success, which is what happened in my situation. The more videos you create, the more chances you have of actually going viral. But before I end this video, I just want to add, being a content creator, becoming a affiliate, especially if you really want to get up there, this is not a overnight journey. This is literally why most people don't last as a content creator. I've been doing this for 9 years, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. It's about to be 10 years. It's about to be a New Year's, you guys. 10 years. Absolutely crazy. Like when I started, I would have never imagined myself being where I am today, but I kept going. I stayed consistent. See, I don't know what anybody else is doing out of myself, but I know I'm a very consistent persistent person. I'm posting daily. I'm working towards getting where I want to be. So this is exactly how you guys need to be, like tunnel vision. I always tell you guys that. I don't care what nobody else is doing. I don't know what anybody else is doing. I don't know nobody. My main focus is to just grow my pages. Like, I don't want to watch anybody's other content. I really don't care. I'm focused on my content and getting where I want to be, and that's how you guys need to be. So remember, you have to plant the seeds today to then later on be able to reap the benefits of that seed that you planted years ago. It's like a plant, like a tree. Trees don't grow. Like, you could plant a tree and it's not gonna grow for years, but you planted it, so then it starts growing over time. And that's the same idea with social media, because I know this goes for so many content creators. Do not focus on your views. Don't focus on your engagement. Don't focus on your comments, your likes, your shares. Don't focus on that, because all that's gonna do is put fear into you, and then you're not gonna wanna post. Because you're gonna be like, oh, my posts are not performing well, or my posts are not doing this, these views are low, oh, I'm gonna delete this, maybe I'll repost it. Just leave it, post and go. This is what I live by, literally. Post, interact with your comments, reply back to your comments, and then go. That's it. Just leave it. Move on to the next post. Work on the next post. And that's how it's supposed to be. So you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm actually posting this today. I'm recording right now. So when you guys see this video, I'm probably in the house somewhere taking my makeup off, maybe, or maybe I'm doing TikTok videos, because I'm filming this, and then I'm gonna edit it, and then I'm gonna post it right away, because I promised this video to a lot of people on my Facebook. So yeah, time to deliver. Okay, catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel, my channel. I think I got issues. Make sure you're subscribed so you will never miss one of my videos. Hit the notification button. You'll be notified. You guys know the jizz. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to be down. Guys, catch you guys in the next video. Peace and much love. Bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe, please. Like, I'm just trying to hit 100K. Okay?